my name is Hadi, and I came to Aberystwyth University to study strategy, intelligence, and security. And the reason I chose this university was this university is the only university that teaches this subject in the entire UK. So I searched around and I found out that anything related to security studies, this university has a name in it. And also Aberystwyth University is like one of the first universities that founded the International Politics Department itself. So that itself made me choose this university. The second reason I chose it was because of the beauty it has. So if you go around, it's just by the seaside and it's a very small town, it's student affiliated town. So everywhere you go, you find a pathway which leads you to a very beautiful scenery. You can see the sunset and you can see the entire town from like up a mountain, and like it's peaceful. So favorite so far has been in my third semester I studied science and technology in NIR. So the idea was it was fully a seminar-based module. So all of the students would come into class and discuss the readings, and our professor, he would make us like talk to each other and talk about what we learned. So the interaction with the people you had, it was like a special kind of not special, but it was something different that I found different and I think I engaged in that module the most. So I would say that. I think it was after I got my car, and since I got my car, I've been able to go around Aberystwyth and see the most beautiful sceneries that you can. So it's just 20-30 minutes away. And then you have your circle of friends, and then you go out with them. It's a good a picnic day or anywhere nearby. It's very beautiful. The degree itself, I would say, so there are a lot of things that you can opt for. There's crisis games, there's parliament placement scheme, there's exchange program, and I opted for exchange program, and I also was a part of the crisis games. So it's like a simulation that we do where we are presented with a situation, and all of the students, they're divided into different groups, so organizations or countries. So it's like a fun game, simulation game. Usually either it ends up in peace or it ends up in World War. So it's fun how everyone reacts to different, the role they are given and how realistic the outcome can be. So it gives you an idea about how international politics actually work. So my semester abroad was in Turkey. I'm glad I chose Turkey because I had one of the best experiences in Turkey in my life. I went scuba diving, I went what's it called, horse riding, I went go-karting, I went to Nusret, the famous guy, the steak guy, and I went shooting, I also studied obviously with Erasmus. But the experiences of the friends I made, I'm still in contact with them. Every other week I talk to them. So it was I would say anyone who's studying international relations should definitely apply for Erasmus program, because you go abroad and you get to meet so many new people, and it was via the university. And the university gives you a grant, so most of it was funded by the university itself, then you don't have to pay back. So the semester was for 4 months, and during those 4 months I went to 9 different cities all around Turkey. The cities I went to, my favorite one was Fethiye. It was absolutely beautiful. We went on boat trips, and it was so beautiful. And we did scuba diving there and cliff jumping. So I would say the best part was the exchange program. So I have 2 choices. Well, I have 3 choices, but the third one is masters, but not immediately, but maybe after 2-3 years. But there's two choices I have right now. Is one is an organization called IOPC, so Independent Organization for Police Conduct, and the second option I have is in Dubai. It's related to real estate. So I don't know which one I'll choose. But that's the beauty of like UK degrees, unless it's like medicine or engineering. If you can study anything you like, and then you can go into any field that you feel like you learn during the degree, and then you learn during your job as well. So you can go into any different paths you want.